Well, it didn't quite work out with the other scooter. As you see in my last video, I did the Ki Neon. It seemed like a pretty good scooter, but unfortunately, after setting it up and doing the install, unboxing video and all that, I charged it up overnight, got back the next day, and it just didn't work. So took it back to actually bought it from Best Buy, and I was looking at this one, between this one and the 9-bot, I think it was the G2, so I spent about 30 minutes comparing both, and I ended up with this one here. This is the NIU KQi300x. So this is some of the specs over here. Some of the specs with the top speed. It had a better warranty. Top speed was about the same, and it had a lot further range, and even the overall weight was actually lighter on this one than the Ki. So, and price point, it was actually a couple $100s cheaper too. So overall, I'm pretty excited to see what this scooter's made of. Again, you know, like I said, this isn't for me. It's more for my son to have a means to just get to school, and with a top speed of about 24 miles per hour. I do have some safety gear and everything that I'll be going over maybe in a future video. But for today, let's just do a quick unboxing, quick setup and reveal. This is what it looks like when you just open the box. What I'm going to probably do is just get this battery or get this charger out. These scooters, the batteries are actually internal, so there really isn't a way to charge it separately while you set them up, kind of like the e-bikes, which is okay. But overall, it seems like a pretty good scooter so far. Not sure what this is. What I'm going to do is just take everything out, lay it out here right on the mat, and we'll do another reveal then. And this is what it looks like. Charger there, little instruction manual here, and probably a little toolkit. Owner's manual in the box. I notice a lot of these come with their own air pressure hose there, which is good, because it'd be a pain to try to find the little air knob on these smaller tires. So this kind of helps make that a little bit easier. Get your tool, a few set screws, and manual, warranty info. Yeah, this is what comes in the box. It's a little other info here as far as the motor size, type of tires, battery, and the max payload there. It is brand new. And so here it is. It literally takes 4 steps, you know, less than maybe 2 to 3 minutes to set up. Standing this up, connecting a wire in there, placing the 6 set screws, 2 on this side, 2 here, and 2 on the other side. Yeah, like I said, connecting the wire, taking off some of the padding. They packed it really well. One of the things I like to kind of cover is how it's packaged. So I did the initial unboxing, you saw the foam, but you know, they even had these grips wrapped. They had a foam protection over the neck there. And overall, I mean, again, this is just my first impression. I haven't rode it, I haven't even charged it. So I just did an unboxing, and this is what the KQi300x e-scooter looks like from new. And I am excited, as I said in my last video, to try it out. So I'm going to charge it. Hopefully it works. This is where I was in my other video where I charged it and nothing happened. I mean, I checked the wiring, checked the charger. It showed a full battery, but there was some kind of disconnect between the battery and the wires. Yeah, it just had no turn signals, nothing. So anyway, short video today. What do you think? Is this something you'd consider owning just for recreational use, or maybe even for a practical daily commute for those of you who may live and work in urban areas? Leave a thumbs up on the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, as you can see, I have a lot of electric transportation just inside of this screen. So I will be ramping up some future videos over the next few weeks once I'm finally caught up with some of my life obligations. But I do thank you all for watching this short video. This is Ryan from Riding in Style.